guys, this is my new channel. I'm going to show you how to change a flat. What I'm going to do is, even if it's a flat, you still want to check and make sure all the air is out. That way it's easier to take it off. And some people do this differently, but I just try to keep this off. You have to get a screwdriver or something. Make sure your tube isn't stuck to your rim or your tire. You get a tool to take out the air thing, whatever the frick it's called. I made this tool. Well, my dad did. That thing. Stupid. Then you go with this. Either get a screwdriver or something. Jam it down in there. Try to pop out your tire. It's going to be a little hard, because it always is. And some people do this differently, like I said. But this is just how I learned to do it. It's really a pain in the butt. Hate this freaking thing. Oh, this is bullshit. This. Probably just tore that tube really good. That's one thing you gotta watch out for. This is normally how I do it. But you don't have to get the tire the complete way off. You can just, if you can see that, get it halfway off, just enough to get the tube off. Pop the tube out. That way you can leave it on there, and this is actually easier to do it like this. And this way. You can get it easily. Now, I recommend Dan's Comp Street Trail tubes. I think they're amazing. And that's what I had there, but I had it for like 4 months. I can't believe it lasted that long. Pretty good. And I got another one, so what you want to do is you just obviously take that frickin' thing off. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure your liner on the inside isn't messed up, where you can get it in there good. Not screwing it up. And you want to shove all this stuff down inside. Get it all good. It's being gay. Put this in your hole. Yep, and then you just pop the tire back on. But you want to make sure you get down there first, otherwise it won't work. Make sure it's in there good. Yep. Pop it on. That's it. That's how you replace the tire. Go blow it up, put it on. I don't really put the cap on because I think it's just a waste of time. But that's how you change the tire. I will do a voice check.